In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I am leveraging short form content to generate attention on my offer. If this interests you by any means, well, pay attention. So, before I start, I want you guys to understand something I like to call a content funnel. Basically, a content funnel is basically like a way to convert all of the attention that you generate into sales. So, I've seen like every creator that makes a lot of money with content has a version of this. They have a version of a content funnel. Basically, the thing here is that you need a way to generate attention. You need a way to nurture that attention. You need a way to convert that attention into sales. That is basically it. Some creators use short form content. A lot of creators use short form content to generate attention, and then nurture with YouTube or a community, a free community, and then convert it on the community or with emails, whatever. There's always like a way, like people just plug in different platforms, but all have the same purpose. They're all the same thing. They're all content funnels. So let me show you how I am doing it. I will show you I'm not going to show you how I'm nurturing the attention and converting them into sales in this video, but I'm showing you how I'm generating attention. Right now, the most attention I generate is on YouTube, but originally I had in mind that I'd make short form content like this, and I'll tell them to comment a word to receive the full YouTube video or where I explain the topic in depth. But that hasn't really worked out, right? Because I've been doing this method for four days now. The first time I did, I got 135 views, but no comments really. Here too, it's not really looking well right now. However, on YouTube, I am sort of getting a lot of traction on my content, on my long form content. Basically, I generate attention with the short form content and I send them over to the long form content. That's how I'm generating attention. Look, got 400 views. A lot of people tapped on the video, watched the video that I referred to in this video. 181 from today and yesterday, but the two before that didn't really do well. This got 28, this got 3. It didn't really do well. So yeah, that is what I've been doing. I take them into, so they watch my full YouTube video, and then yeah, that's really it. I also want to give you guys some advice that if you're going to use short form content, I really recommend that you don't do something that will take you hours. Because short form content isn't, if you're doing content for business, short form content shouldn't be your primary source of client acquisition. Even though it's good, it's fine, but it shouldn't be a primary source. If you could watch the last video I made on Google 7-11-4 rule. Basically the gist of it is that you need 7 hours. People need to watch 7 hours worth of your content before they trust you enough to buy from you. So with that knowledge, it only makes sense that you make YouTube videos. Short form content shouldn't be much more than an attention generating asset. That's all short form content should be. So don't spend too much time like this. Before I thought of this method, I used to make all of these highly edited videos. I wanted to be just like Devin Jasso. I used to make all of these highly edited videos, and it would take me hours of my time to make. And if you can do it in a short amount of time, that won't take you out of the actual money making activities. Well, I do recommend, don't listen to what I say, do what works for you. But in my advice is to don't spend too much time. The time that you could be using to do actual money making activities, don't spend it on just editing short form content or scripting short form content. So yeah, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to join my free WhatsApp group down below and let's talk.